Other ways to say, same to you. Likewise. Back at you. Ditto. The feeling is mutual. In the same boat. Copy that. Me too. Reciprocally. You're not alone. Echoing your sentiment. Reciprocal wishes. Similarly. You too, my friend. May it be so for you as well. Hoping for the same for you. Other ways to say, I'll contact you. I'll get in touch with you. I'll reach out to you. I'll give you a call. I'll drop you a message. I'll send you an email. I'll be in contact with you. I'll connect with you. I'll get back to you. I'll reach you soon. I'll make sure to contact you. How to end a letter. Best regards. Sincerely. Yours truly. Regards. Warm regards. Best wishes. Yours sincerely. Kind regards. With appreciation. Respectfully. Yours faithfully. Take care. Until next time. Cheers. Fondly. Cordially. Wishing you well. In friendship. With gratitude. All the best. Speak English faster.
I have to go.
I've gotta go.
I have got a book.
I've got a book.
Do you want to dance?
Wanna dance?
Do you want a banana?
Want a banana?
Let me in.
Let me in.
Let me go.
Let me go.
I'll let you know.
I'll let ya know.
Did you do it?
Did ya do it?
Not yet.
Not yet.
I'll meet you later.
I'll meet you later.
What do you think?
What do you think?
What did you do with it?
What'd you do with it?
How did you like it?
How'd you like it?
When did you get it?
When'd you get it?
Why did you take it?
Why'd you take it?